Wow, what a perfect time to welcome our guest this hour, trial attorney Trey Gober, who's in Austin, Texas. Thank you, Trey, for joining us. A pro se defendant, a witness who's very hard to understand and control. What are your initial thoughts?
This is painful. We have to feel sympathy for the jury who is doing their best to uphold their sworn charge by the court to understand all of this evidence. But we can't be quick to blame the state for calling this witness. This witness would probably be qualified as a Crawford witness, and they absolutely have a duty to call this witness who's made testimonial accusations against and confronted this defendant. And without calling her, the defendant could very well win his case on appeal.
Well, so the defense is the one actually who did call her as the witness because her testimony is this, it was not him. He did not do this. So he's called this witness. I think my frustration is, and I recognize nobody can give him advice. The prosecution cannot, the judge certainly cannot, but we know that there's a video of her testimony that was taken in the event she became unavailable due to her health. Would it not have been something that could be an agreement by the state to say, okay, Your Honor, this isn't working, he can use the video, or is that testimony too harmful so the state's just gonna sit back and let him figure it out?
Yeah, it's definitely not playing well for him right now. I still would maintain that she's a Crawford witness and the state has to talk to her. But absolutely, when a witness is not available, you can use an outside of court sworn statement as being admissible if they're otherwise not available. We may end up seeing that video coming in, and I think the jury would probably welcome having that video coming in because beside the fact that she seems to be maybe not 100% with us, competent mentally right now, she keeps going off on these tangents. It might also just be better audio to understand what the questions and answers were.
Yeah, our court TV team in the courtroom says it's even difficult for the jury to hear sometimes on the Zoom what she's saying. To your point, that can make it really tough to decide what facts they believe. All right, stay with us, Trey, please. We need to take a break. When we come back, we're going to get you back inside that Florida courtroom. I can tell you there's a lot more coming up. Stay tuned.